नवरात्रि, अ फेस्टिवल विच मार्क्स गुड ओवर ईविल। तो इस नवरात्रि हम टीम सफ़र तक आपके लिए लाए हैं एक नई सीरीज़ नवशक्ति। इस सीरीज़ में हम आपको उदयपुर की 9 अलग अलग बेटियों से साक्षात्कार कराएंगे जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्षेत्र में अपनी एक मिसाल कायम करी है। जैसा कि हम जानते ही हैं, द फर्स्ट डे इज़ मार्क्ड बाय द वर्शिप ऑफ माता शैलपुत्री। शैल मीन्स माउंटेन विच सिम्बलाइजेज स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज। तो हमारी इस सीरीज़ की जो पहली शक्ति हैं इज़ मिसेस प्रीति जैन, हु हैज़ अचीव्ड मार्वलस हाइट्स इन हर टीचिंग करियर। सो हियर वी गो।
Hello everyone. Today we are with Mrs. Preeti Jain. With over more than 15 years of teaching experience, Mrs. Jain is currently working as TGT English in The Study Senior Secondary School, Udaipur. Apart from doing MA in English, ma'am has done her postgraduate diploma in yoga education, diploma in nutrition and health education, and masters in science of living, meditation and yoga. She recently got honored by the Global Teacher Award by the Education Minister of Maldives, followed by Shiksha Gaurav National Award at Gurugram, Haryana. So, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
First of all, thanks a lot for taking out time for us from your busy schedule. It means a lot. So, ma'am, please tell us about your journey and what challenges you faced during that.
Yeah, my teaching journey started actually in 2005. And after that, I was continuously going on in teaching field. I got many troubles, we can say, means managing all the things together, like as being a lady, being a housewife. Earlier I was a housewife, then I changed my profession and I was in teaching field. So, managing everything all together, having a baby also, a baby girl, and then in society, many people have many expectations from a lady. And at family also we have many expectations. The family members have many expectations with us. So doing all the things together was really a challenging task for me. Otherwise, I was enjoying my job. I am enjoying my job a lot.
So, being, as you said, being a mother, how did you manage your personal and professional life?
Yeah, being a mother, actually my daughter was a very sweet daughter, we can say, because she always helped me a lot. She never thought that when she was very young, that time also the family members also supported me in that, and they were managing everything with me. So yes, she was also with me all time, and I cared her also. After the school I was with her every time. So both the things were really giving me a good experience. Actually, I loved that thing also.
So what kept you consistent and motivated towards your goal?
Actually, my inspiration was, the thing which I had in my mind, that I do not have to leave anything. Means I have to be perfect in everything. Fine. And yes, my daughter was always, telling me. And when I thought that I have a daughter, so I have to make her a perfect in everything, the perfect girl in everything. So that was the thing which kept me inspiring every time, and I got inspired from many situations, from many troubles also. When we get troubles, we get inspiration also, and that give us more strength.
If you had a superpower, what would it be and why?
Superpower. Actually, a lady herself is a superpower, I can say. Really. Because
wow,
if we think that I am having superpower, I am superpower.
As you know that Navratris are going on, and on one hand we idolize women as devis, and even during Navratris we worship girl as devis, and on the other hand newspapers are flooded with the news of harassments, abuses, etc., domestic violences. So what do you think where we as a society are lacking?
Fine. Yes, we know that these things are everywhere, we can see. But if we people means the people in the society, those who are having this opinion in their mind till now also, that a baby boy is, should take birth in the family. If a boy is not there in the family, then what will be the future generation of that family particularly. Okay, so that kind of opinion of the people should be changed, and we are the people that can do that thing. We can change this opinion of the society.
So, girls on everyday basis face gender discrimination. It is very common. So, what is your perspective on that, and how we as a girl should handle that situation, or what should be our reaction?
Okay, so firstly I would say that we as a lady, as a girl, we should not take anybody's negative opinion with us. Let them think whatever they think, we should do our best.
So, if you were given a chance to change one thing for women in India, what would it be and why?
Okay, so I think that for women we should have the safety measures. Actually, we need the safety measures, because somewhere that the girls are not safe to go anywhere wherever they want to go, like boys. Boys can roam around everywhere, but not the girls. Okay, so that safety we need, and if I would suggest, I would only suggest the safety measures of the girls should be improved.
So, once again, thanks a lot, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts with us and enlightening us with your experiences. It was a great session.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being with me for such a nice thing. I loved it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. हमें कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, link in the description.